All right, so the next scene is we want Rex talking. Right here, after he says he can't work like this, get the razor tool, cut right here. Let's delete that. This is where the director says cut. Let's delete this area so it brings the film over. We just see a little bit of them doing this, and then cut it with the razor. Delete that, and then delete that area. So this part, we have this guy talking first, and then this guy. But in the filmed footage that I did, I had this guy talking first and then this guy. So we need to reverse the footage. So we focus on the blue guy's face before we focus on the red guy's face. So right click on the track and go to speed duration. Now I use this a lot when I'm using Premiere Pro. You can reverse the speed, which is what we're gonna do. And you can also make the speed faster or slower to make it look like it's a slow scene or a really fast scene. Click OK. Now see the actor is in focus now. So he talks for this amount of time and then Vortex speaks. So we want to find the footage where it goes from this guy to this guy. So go through the footage and it happens right about here. I'm going to pull this over and take this pot and drag it so it's right here. And then drag this back to the left and then drag this to the end like this. And then he's talking and then right here, it changes over to this guy talking. This is what our filmed footage looks like now. We didn't actually need to cut these, but it's easier to see visually where each actor is talking. We could delete that and then drag this straight like this without those cuts. But I like having the cuts because of the visual look. So let's listen to what that looks and sounds like.
Oh yeah, the vast infinite space station, or as I like to call it, sheet number 27B from the prop closet.
Focus, warrior. Our battle is legendary.
Oh, this is classic metal flooring. It's just a table with a green poster board taped to it.
Enough distractions. Prepare to meet your doom.
Oh no, my doom! Which, by the way, will be so convincing once they add the whoosh sound in post.
Stop ruining the immersion.
Immersion? Dude, your elbow joint's loose. You're wobbling like a drunken astronaut.
My suit has just a slight malfunction. Now, prepare to meet your doom.
Oh, I can't work like this.
Cut!
Good call, director. It must be lunchtime. Me belly is grumbling.
Ah, how am I supposed to work with this guy?